Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a contact from your Google account on your Android phone. First of all, what you have to do is open your web browser. Either you can open your web browser on your Android phone, or you can also open it on your web browser on your PC or laptop. Doesn't matter. The thing that matters is that you have to sign in with the same Google account that is also signed in into your phone. So once you're signed in into the same Google account which is also signed in into your phone, what you have to do is simply open your web browser and type in contacts.google.com. Hit enter. You can do this on your phone as well, and it will open a new page where you will be able to see all of the contacts that are saved in your Google account. If you're unable to see the contacts that you have saved in your Google account, then what you can do is click on the profile icon and select the Google account from the list. Select the Google account that is also signed into your phone. Once you've confirmed that, you will be able to see all of the contacts in your Google account. Now, to delete a contact, simply what you have to do is select the three dotted button in front of the contact, and here you'll be able to see delete option. If I click on delete, click on move to trash, now the contact has been deleted, and that's simply how you can delete a contact from your Google account on Android. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.